going, I thought I'd just do this dash cam video from Coleman County, where I'm driving on Coleman County road number 110, the dirt road that takes me over this and then over to the tracks here. But I thought I'd just do this dash cam video before I just got through climbing that steep hill, just to give you an idea how steep it is and how you can't see anybody coming when you're going up that hill. So thought I'd just do this little dash cam video from here, and thanks for watching, and bye bye.